Hi guys, it's Michael Abbey with Enterprise Express Tax Service on Casual Sunday, enjoying a cup of my Wawa's coffee. Um, Real important, there is a form, it's called the 1095A. The reason why this form is important is this. A lot of sole proprietors, independent contractors who get paid with the 1099s end up buying insurance on the health markets. In other words, Obamacare. That's what it's still called. A lot of people don't realize that Obamacare still exists, but it does still exist. And if you're one of those who purchase insurance from the health markets, oh, and by the way, guys, the deadline is January 15th if you're going to renew or if you're going to purchase health insurance on the health markets. At least in Maryland, the deadline is January 15th. But, anyways, if you are in this category where you buy insurance for yourself from these health markets, um, you have to file Form 1095A. And the reason is that the IRS gets a copy of Form 1095A sent to them by the health markets. And if you go ahead and submit your tax return for processing through your tax preparer, and it does not include Form 1095A, then your tax return will most likely get rejected and will not get processed. And if you're due for a refund, that refund will be delayed. So it's extremely important. And you probably most likely fall into this category if you are self-employed, business owner, if you buy your insurance independently. In other words, your employer does not give insurance, but you purchase your insurance independently on the health markets or via Obamacare, then most likely you fall into this category where you will be issued with a Form 1095A. It's extremely important that you provide that form to your tax preparer, your CPA, your accountant, your tax consultant, so that they can file it with your return. A lot of times, as tax preparers, and I'm guilty of this, we get so busy that we may not ask, for instance, did you get a Form 1095A? Now, if you are employed with a company, you're probably going to get the standard Form 1095B or Form 1095C that just shows that you have health insurance. And that's fine. You can still furnish that document to your tax preparer. However, if you're self-employed, an independent contractor, and you bought insurance on the secondary health market, like Obamacare, then you need to go ahead, sign into your account, your health market account, okay? Look under the tab that says tax forms and download Form 1095A. It may even show as Form 8962, which is pretty much a way what calculates the premium tax credit. Okay. However, which you're really looking for is a Form 1095A. So download that and make sure you get that to your tax professional so that your tax return can be processed in a timely and efficient manner. Once again, this is Michael Abbey on Casual Sunday. Notice I got my casual shirt, casual hat, and I've got my coffee on, and I'm pretty much relaxing before I head on to church. So once again, guys, look forward to working with you this year. Oh, one more thing: the deadline for renewal of any health insurance that's purchased on the secondary health markets, Obamacare, is January the 15th. So the deadline is January the 15th for renewal, and the deadline is also January the 15th if you are purchasing a new insurance as well. You can still purchase insurance after that deadline. You'll just have to fall into a category which allows for exceptions. For instance, you may have been financially unable. There's a couple of reasons where you can actually still sign on. However, the general deadline is January the 15th, which is tomorrow. Okay. And remember, guys, IRS starts processing on January 29th. So that's when the IRS starts processing. Start gathering all your documents together, get them to your tax preparer, ask all the questions you need to ask, because once January 29th hits, it is going to be busy. I anticipate an extremely busy February and March as well, because this time IRS processing is starting just a tad later than it usually does, and so this gives you some buffer time to get all your documents together, and also meet with your tax preparer to discuss any pertinent issues that need to be discussed. Once again, my name is Michael Abbey with Enterprise Express Tax Service. We do taxes all over the United States. The whole states we can do those taxes. We also operate a fully remote tax office, so you do not have to come into our office. All you need to do is upload your documents to our online, very secure portal, and we can definitely take care of you. Michael Abbey with Enterprise Express Tax Service. Bye.